To use Xero Invoicing. Start by logging into your Xero account and navigating to the Invoices tab. From here, you can create a new invoice by clicking on the New Invoice button. Enter the customer's name and select their contact details from the drop-down list. Or add a new contact if they are not already in your system. Next, add the items you want to invoice for by selecting from your list of inventory items or adding a new item. You can also add a description and quantity for each item, and apply any relevant taxes or discounts. Xero will automatically calculate the subtotal, tax, and total for you. Once you have added all the items, you can customize the invoice by adding a reference number, a due date, and any additional notes or attachments. You can also choose from a range of invoice templates to change the layout and design of your invoice. When you are happy with your invoice, click the Approve button to approve it and make it available to send to your customer. You can then send the invoice to your customer via email, or save it as a PDF to print or attach to an email. Xero also allows you to track the status of your invoices, including when they have been sent, viewed, and paid. You can view a list of all your outstanding invoices and filter by customer, date range, or payment status. This makes it easy to follow up with customers who have not yet paid their invoices. To get the most out of Xero Invoicing, it is a good idea to set up automatic invoice reminders, which can be sent to customers when their invoice is due or overdue. You can also set up online payment options, such as PayPal or credit card payments, to make it easy for customers to pay their invoices online. By following these steps and using Xero Invoicing effectively, you can streamline your invoicing process, reduce errors, and get paid faster. Xero Invoicing is a powerful tool that can help you manage your business finances with ease and efficiency.